Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this electric skillet that we got here on Amazon. In this video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about this skillet, including the one important thing I think you guys should know before buying. So I decided to buy this electric skillet because we don't have a ton of space on our stovetop. We do host a lot of parties, and it might look a little bigger than it should here in the camera, but when you're cooking a lot of dishes, you have a lot of pots here, you don't have that much space. It's very cramped. So I was looking on Amazon and trying to find a solution, something that I could have to add, you know, a little bit more space when I'm cooking, more like places for me to cook. And then I came across this skillet, and this is perfect. I can cook pretty much anything in here. And the coolest thing about it is that I don't need to make any more dishes dirty. I can cook the dish in here without making, you know, an extra pot dirty. So that's the first thing I like about it. The second thing I like about this skillet is how, like, they actually say that it's non-stick, but guys, this is amazing. Nothing sticks to this pan. It works. So we got the extra large. This is the 10.5 quart. You can compare it to my hand and see how big this thing is. It's also pretty deep, so it doesn't make a lot of mess. If you're cooking any type of sauce in here, you're not gonna be splashing it everywhere because it is deep enough for you to be able to do that. And like I said, you can cook anything in here. You have a lot of space. And the coolest thing, you can just throw this in the dishwasher. It's dishwasher safe. So there you go. It's very practical. I just love that you don't have to use an extra pot. You can just do it all here. So right here on the side, that's where you turn on and off, and you have the option from 200 Fahrenheit to 400, which is pretty high. This is the top right here, kind of heavy, which I like. You can see the quality of the material. It covers everything very well. So for you to wash this in the dishwasher, all you have to do is unhook right here, disconnect from the cable that goes to the outlet, and you can just throw this in the dishwasher. Now let's talk about the one important thing I said in the beginning I think you guys should know before buying this skillet. Even though I love it, and like I said, it has a lot of good qualities, I think it takes a little bit too long to heat up. You will see when you first use it, so don't get annoyed or anything. It's just how it is. It is worth it though. It takes a little bit to warm up until you're like actually able to use it. Not too long. I'd say about a minute. You know, it's not like a stovetop. We have gas stovetop, so it's very quick. This is electric, so you know it's gonna take a little bit longer. But overall, we love it. Super worth having this at home, you know, just for an extra area for you to cook. And yeah, I highly recommend it.